Holy moly. It's been a minute, guys. Hopefully you can hear me, but yeah, if you guys know the channel, and if I haven't posted any videos of this bike yet, because I've recorded a couple, if I haven't posted any, this is my Harley I've got now. Got rid of that Ninja. This is an 02 Dyna Superglide. God, I'm breathing fucking hard right into the camera. You know. Anyways, I just want to do a little story time right now. As long as she don't stall. This bike is cold-blooded, I tell you what. Okay, so basically, guys, I am running to Petco right now on the search for some sort of shampoo that'll hopefully take out the skunk smell. Basically, I woke up this morning, my dog, if you guys have seen videos before, I had two dogs. Unfortunately, a few months ago, I had to put my boxer down. It's honestly been pretty tough on me. He was my buddy, my beast. He was 11 years old, but yeah, it was rough. He lost a lot of muscle mass and blah, blah, blah. Anyways, yeah, this morning I woke up and Lizzie, my only dog now, the Australian Shepherd, apparently got sprayed by a skunk last night. So I just woke up and the whole damn house stunk like skunk. I already gave her one bath today, but the shampoo that I got really didn't do a whole lot for that. So like I say, I'm hoping I can find something. But yeah, my little bit of story that I had to go with that was Tony, boxer I was just talking about. A couple different times, at least 2 times that I remember, he got sprayed by a skunk. And yeah, that's when I was a kid, still living at home with my parents. We did not have a doggy door there. And this was basically, my parents would get up in the morning because, you know, I didn't have to get up until it was time for school. But they get up in the morning, let them out, and yeah, the 2 times that I remember just waking up, hearing my parents talking to Tony, and yeah, you could immediately smell it. Both times that I remember there, he really got sprayed by the skunks. Like, I think sprayed in his face. Lizzie, I don't know. That smells like it. She got sprayed in her side or something. I don't know. But it didn't smell nearly as bad as I remember. But yeah, not as bad as I remember it with him. But yeah, I know we ended up finding some sort of shampoo for Tony back in the day. This was years and years ago. And we just got this Petco in town a year or 2 ago. And I'm just hoping they got something. That way I can give Lulu a nice bath later on. Hopefully get that stank skunk smell out of the house. It's literally right down the road here. Right down the road. Yeah, see, now I get biker waves from Harley dudes. I guess before with that little Ninja I may have gotten a couple, but I don't know up with people and their motorcycles, and hey, if I got this, I'm not waving at this guy or whatever. That bull crap. It don't really matter. A bike's a bike. This is my first time ever going here. They close in like half an hour, so I'm trying to make this quick. I parked all funky. This is weird, brother. All right. I will be right back. Okay, guys, so luckily, they did have something in there, so I am really hoping that works. Also found out they have a self-wash station, so yeah, I want to get that skunk smell out of her though before I go and stink up their whole place. Let's see if she fires without the cold. She is really cold-blooded. I normally have to hold the choke on. Oh, that's literally my first time ever going in there, but pretty cool little place. And I will probably definitely bring Lizzie back in here for a wash at some point. Oh, shoot. Okay. Honestly though, if I do not post those other couple videos I have, I just pulled out all funky and I don't know. Anyways, let me close that. Yep. Yes, sir. Anyways, if I don't post those other videos that I've made of the bike, I'll probably tell you a little bit more about it at some point here. But yeah, the first video I done on this bike, it was a whole lot of me, like it was supposed to be like a hey, first ride, check the bike out, but there's a whole lot of me comparing it to that Ninja, just kind of randomly going off about things. But yeah, dude, this bike has been so much more fun for me personally to ride. I mean, being 6 foot tall, 200, I always want to say 250. I'm honestly 260 something right now, if I'm being honest with you. But it just, I don't know, I was always kind of embarrassed riding that Ninja. Like, I just looked, it was a Ninja 400 if you're new here, but tiny little bike, big old guy on it. I still feel like I look big on this thing, but dude, yeah, this bike, just the sound of it, the feel of it, I love this thing. I don't know why it took me so long to get into a bike like this. I know I've said before that I've just always been into sport bikes, but honestly, when I was real young, Orange County Choppers, if you guys remember that show, Orange County Choppers, American Chopper, whatever they were calling it at the time. Oh my God, I loved that stuff. I had so many little like die-cast choppers wanted a chopper so bad for whatever reason. Now I look at them, and especially when I see clips of the Tuttles riding on them, like they don't look comfortable at all. And I don't know, for around here anyways, it's definitely not practical. They look cool though, brother. That's all that matters. I'm learning to say brother more while I'm on the bike, because that's a Harley guy thing, right? I'm just rambling on at this point. Anyways, guys, that's probably gonna about wrap it up for this video. Just a little story time there, and yeah, we'll see if this video gets decent views. Cool. If not, whatever. It's been so long since I've actually made and posted a video. This is gonna be just kind of thrown together, so whatever. I just wanted to make a video and kind of get back into the video life and make the kind of videos I want. So anyways, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Drop a comment down below, any questions you have about the bike or whatever. And as always, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.